It's a Stitch Fix day, so let's see what I've got in this little box. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I like to do clothing, unboxing, shopping hauls, try-ons. If you like that kind of content, then I invite you to hit that subscribe button so that we can hang out on the regular. Hit the notification bell if you want to know when I put out a new video. If you like this video, please give me a like, swipe to height, leave me a comment. All those things help me grow my channel and I do appreciate it. And thanks for hanging out with me today. So Stitch Fix is the OG styling service. They have gone through a lot of changes. They do a preview now. They send you 10 items. You can kick off a fix by going into their freestyle shop and saying, add this to my fix, and then they'll send you that, and then other preview items. Some people are getting more than 5 items. I still get 5 unless I choose more from my preview. If you haven't watched my channel before, I had the same stylist for a few years, and she retired, and then I had another stylist, and after 5 times I just didn't think it was working out well, so I did ask for another stylist, and I think this one she styled. I did pick 3 things from the preview. Here's my bundle. Yeah, let's get into it. We are in mid-ish May and we are going through a cold spell. We got snow about 10 days ago. It's been raining, cold, dreary, and it just makes me know that I could never live in like Washington or Oregon where it rains all the time. All right, first up we've got from 41 Hawthorn, Colette Signature Knit Poplin Tank. And I'm pretty sure this was an item that I chose from my preview. Thought it was really pretty with the pink with white stripes. It's a V-neck with that kind of mandarin collar, and it is sleeveless, which I'm not loving my arms these days, you guys. What is the material? It's stretchy. Poplin is usually cotton, but it's definitely got more than cotton. It's 73 cotton, 27 polyester. So that's cute. It's actually cuter than I thought it was going to be. Okay, and next up from also, what was that? 41 Hawthorn? Yeah, this is also from 41 Hawthorn. This is the Julia Crewneck cardigan in pink. I think that is more of a salmon. It is got like a loose knit weave and button down. Feels really nice. I'm not sure about this color. I feel like sometimes it's 100% cotton. I feel like I've gotten this color and then not loved it, but this feels really nice. Okay, and then I don't think I picked that. I think maybe she picked that. Then from Sanctuary, we have the SS button tie front in red, and it's got texture. It feels like polyester, but it does have that texture. 98 polyester, 2% spandex. So I did choose that from my preview. And then also from 41 Hawthorn, that is a Stitch Fix in-house brand. The Dylan short sleeve boat neck knit tee in navy. And I'm pretty sure she chose this for me. It's kind of like that slub material. Let's see what it's made of. 48 rayon, 48 polyester, 4 spandex. That does not add up. Yeah, I guess it does. I guess it does. And then last, I did choose these from my preview. Market Spruce, another in-house brand for Stitch Fix. The Laveau pull-on mid-rise straight ankle pant. And they're in this pretty blue. They've got pockets. They've got some pleats there in the front. They're like a nice gauzy material. So we'll see how those look. All right. You guys, I have been having this really watery eye all day today. I have that every now and then, and today it has just been awful. So, messing up my makeup, and I do apologize if you see me dabbing at my eye. So let's hang this up. I will show you my outfit of the day, and then we will get started. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I'll leave my link below. That'll give you $25 off your first fix. Stitch Fix has a styling fee of $20, so it would waive that styling fee and then give you $25 towards anything that you purchased. If you do pay the $20 styling fee, they will apply it to anything you purchase. If you don't purchase anything, then you lose that $20. If you have an absolutely awful fix where you don't buy anything, sometimes they'll just offer to style you again for no fee. And you can always reach out to them. Customer service with Stitch Fix has been a little hit and miss for me, but let's get going. All right, so today I am wearing a quarter zip, I think it's by Hawthorn. I got it from Nordstrom in this pretty kind of a denim blue color. Really like it a lot. It is ribbed, and then these are straight leg or skinny jeans from 7 for All Mankind. Really like them a lot. They're very high-waisted, so I like that about them. And I know that, I don't know, a few years ago they decided skinny jeans were out. Well, I love me some skinny jeans, so I am still wearing them. And then I have these fun Steve Madden shoes that are all sparkly, and that's what I'm wearing today. My stylist says, her name is Christy, so happy to be styling you again. You did an amazing job in your preview. You chose some really versatile pieces, starting with the red Sanctuary button tie top for an easy statement, plus the blue Market and Spruce pull-on straight ankle pants, a brand new addition for a polished but comfy everyday bottom. I also love that you added the pink 41 Hawthorn tank for a lead layer that can work now and later. To complement your picks, I added the pink 41 Hawthorn Crewneck cardigan for a simple throw-on layer when mornings or restaurants aren't cool, and the navy 41 Hawthorn boat neck tee, another fresh new arrival when you want a classic goes with everything option. After you try everything on, let me know your thoughts. What is your closet missing for spring and summer? Happy unboxing. All right, so I am going to try on these tops first, because I think they will go better with jeans, and then I will try on the pants and the navy tee. I will be right back. Alrighty, so I am starting off with this pretty pink and white striped V-necked sleeveless top. It's got little slits here. It is, it's not long, it's not cropped, it's just kind of average length. That's the back. It is bra friendly. I was a little worried that if it went in too much, I would have to wear a racer back bra, which is not my favorite. Material feels nice. Little bit, let's see, just on this side, you're seeing my bra, but I suppose I could try a different bra and see if that would go away. Yes, I like this. I think it is really cute. I think it would be a nice addition to my summer wardrobe. Would look super cute with white jeans, you know, lighter denim jeans. I don't think that the dark denim is bad, but I don't think it's the best it could be. Shorts. Yeah, I think this is super cute and definitely a contender. All right, let's keep going. So this is the red tie front top from Sanctuary, and it's got some features that I really like. I like the length of the sleeves. I like red, but I feel like this is leaning more toward an orange red. I like a V-neck, but this is way too low. And I could, you know, kind of push it back like that, but we all know that when you do that, a lot of times as you're moving around, it'll kind of slide back down. So I feel like, I don't know, I think that this tie look is, I don't know if it's dated or not, but I'm not loving it. So this one's a no. Let's keep going. I also don't like the fabric. let's keep going. Okay, next we have this 100% cotton cardigan in this, they're calling it pink. I really feel like it's leaning more towards salmon color. So, you know, an orangey pink. Feels really nice. The cotton is really soft. I like the kind of textured pattern. I don't feel like I have to wear a cami under it. Sorry guys, drippy nose too. I'm on the fence about the color. I love the sleeve length. I feel like oh man, there's a snag. It's not too bad of one, but I think I could probably pull it out. Yeah, we'll see how much it costs. It feels really nice. I'd also like to see if they had it in any other colors. It really feels nice, and I think it's really cute. And again, with a pair of like wet jeans or wet shorts, I think it would just be perfect for summer. So let me know what you think of this one. And now we're going to try on those pants and that navy tee. The other thing I wanted to mention about this cardigan is it is pretty short. So I had high-waisted jeans on, and I would need to see what I have and whether or not it would be too short for the things that I would probably wear it with. Okay, let's look at this other outfit. So since I have the camera adjusted for the tops, I'm going to do the individual pieces and then I will show you the whole outfit. So this is a nice tee. It's got kind of wider boat neck and little kind of cap sleeves. It's nice, but it's not really anything special. I do recall it had a pretty approachable price point of I think $35, but I don't feel like it's really anything that I would be excited about wearing. Let's talk about the pants. So they are in this lovely blue color, this very comfortable gauzy material, and they look terrible on me. They're very baggy. What size are these? These are small petite. They do come kind of above my ankle. They're just really baggy here. I mean, they're probably meant to be that way, so a loose, comfortable pant. They don't do anything for my flat booty. Somebody said that, I think it was in my last video or the one before that, that the pants made my butt look flat because I have a flat butt. And that is true. I'm not disputing that. But there are some pants that do more for us flat-bummed girls than others, and these are ones that just don't do anything for it. I will adjust the camera so you can see the whole outfit. So, I mean, it goes together well. If I wanted to wear it out, I could. Yeah, these pants are so comfortable, but they just are so unattractive on me that they're going to be a no. So this is the whole outfit. Let's do prices and a recap. Okay, I thought those were some of them were really nice pieces, others just okay. So let's talk about prices. First up, we have this really pretty 41 Hawthorn Julia crewneck cardigan, and this is very pricey at $78. So I am going to send that back, despite the fact that I love the material, really liked how it looked, but I feel like almost $80 for that is more than I want to spend, and that's what it comes down to. I will spend a lot for something that I think is worth it, and I feel like $78 is too much for that. The 41 Hawthorn Colette signature knit poplin tank. This is $49, which is a little steep also. So I'm considering this. I really like it. I liked how it looked on, but again, that is a little bit of a pricey item. for what it is. And y'all, this is crazy. These blue pants that did nothing for me are $78, which I think is ridiculous. Market and Spruce is not a fancy name brand. These are, what are they? I bet they're 100% cotton. They're just plain gauze pants. They, you know, yeah, 100% cotton. I mean, they feel really nice, but $78? I don't think so. Nope. And this Sanctuary top, this is only $35, which I think is a good price point, but it was too low cut. I didn't like the material, and I don't love that shade of red. And then last we had the 41 Hawthorn Dylan short sleeve boat neck tee, and this is $35, which I think is fairly reasonable. So the only thing I am considering is this pink top, and I just have to decide if I want to pay almost $50 for it. Let me know what you think. And yeah, it is mid-May. I am in my last week of watching my grandson while my daughter works. She's a kindergarten teacher, and this is her last week of school. She's really looking forward to having the summer off and spending it with her little baby. He's going to be a year in just a few weeks, which blows me away that this year has gone by so fast. And then I'll start watching him again in August, but expect to see quite a bit of them during the summer. So next week we are going to be going on a little vacation down to New Mexico, one of our favorite places, just for a few days. But what are your summer plans? Do you have anything fun going on? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me that like, swipe to hype. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you again for spending part of your day with me. I really, truly appreciate it. So until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.